This is top 10 fastest Rubik's Cube solves ever. Number 10 we have Adam Granger 3.69 second. Number 9 we have Timon Kolasinki 3.66 seconds.
That should have been at your average. I'm so bad. I'm so bad. Oh my god.
Number 8 we have Madi Hiroto Inaba 3.59 seconds. Number 7 we have Xuanyi Zheng 3.49 seconds. Number 6 we have Yusheng Du 3.47 seconds. Number 5 we have Aaron Hein 3.46 seconds. Number 4 we have Luke Garrett 3.44 seconds. Number 3 we have Yihan Wang 3.27 seconds. Number 2 we have Rohan Su 3.24 seconds. And number 1 we have Max Park 3.13 seconds.
Yes!